Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. And as you may have been able to tell from the title and the thumbnail, this is going to be an unboxing. It's a Coach unboxing. I'm so excited to share this with you, so let's get going. Alright, so bringing home a new bag and sharing it with you, unboxing and everything is always exciting, but even more excitingly so, I only just realized the other day that this is actually my first Coach bag ever. This is actually an outlet purchase from Roermond outlet, which their vlog should be up already. It's going to be linked up here. I've been to Roermond outlet, which is like a premium part of the MacArthur Glen group, like a premium outlet in the Netherlands. I've been there numerous times and you seem to be enjoying my outlet vlogs. They're so fun to film. I think the one that I uploaded like in April-ish this year has like 32,000 people watching, which is insane. Anyway, shameless plug out of the way. To reveal, this cutie also came in a smaller size, but that was super tiny. So this is the Andrea carryall, I guess in the standard, medium, what have you. And it's in black on black hardware. All the like metal bits are like gray-ish kind of colored, essentially black, especially the Coach up here. So what I did find out, oh, by the way, it also comes with a shoulder strap, which I already removed. So here it is. I'm going to share the price in a second. The shoulder strap does have like adjustments, which is always appreciated. I think this particular, like the black on black, as well as the white on white Andrea carryall, they are produced for the outlets exclusively. Allegedly, don't quote me, but that's what ChatGPT told me. I think, yeah, I think I have a screenshot. And then I'm gonna share the price, but I think I screenshotted it. Okay, there we go. So the Andrea carryall, here she is, in monotone finishes, all black, body and hardware, or all white, is exclusively an outlet item. Here's what the evidence shows, okay? He's like full on evidence gathering mode. Coach's full price stores and department stores listed the standard Andrea carryall in more classic Coach leathers and signature jacquard prints, usually with contrasting silver hardware, whereas this is like black on black, and it's like a smooth, shiny, fairly shiny leather. There we go. Oh, okay. This might be helpful. I'm also, which I already researched, I did find this particular bag as well as the white on white on the Coach outlet website. I wasn't aware that Coach actually has like a part of their website. It's like a tab fairly up high, like standard Coach, and then there's a tab that says Coach outlet, and they actually sell these online. So it's another indication that this is probably an outlet exclusive bag, but like, okay, obviously, I've only had it for a couple of weeks. I've never carried it out, hence why the tag is still on. I can't comment on like how the leather is gonna be holding up and everything, but from what I can see, the quality looks actually quite good, especially considering the price. But let's first go back to what Chatty told me. So the all black or all white versions are only found on Coach Outlet's website or their retail stores, often at a deep discount around 128 to 143 USD compared to 428 MSRP. Influencers on TikTok and Pinterest, okay, confirm that these solid color variants are available at Coach Outlet now. In summary, if you spot an all black or white Andrea carryall, body and hardware matching, it's an outlet exclusive, not something that has been sold at full price in Coach retail or via department stores. Okay, so I'm just going to take his word for it. The initial price doesn't say on the tag here, but does say on the receipt here. So initial price, quote unquote, because apparently this was never even sold at that price, but we get the gist, 550 euros. Then it was marked down by, I think, was it like 55% or something? Doesn't say on here, but it does say that it was marked down to 229 euros, which is already a significant markdown. And they had like an additional 20% discount like event going on. So essentially what I ended up paying, instead of 550, which again, fully appreciate that this bag was never 550 to begin with, but anyway, so instead of 550, I paid 183.20 for this, including VAT, because in Europe it's already included and everything. But I mean, below 200 bucks, beautiful leather from what I can tell. It also has like a clochette, but it doesn't have like a key or anything in it. I think it's just like, if I can even pull it down. Oh, and it's got like Coach stamped on here if it focuses. There we go. I think it just has like a key ring. Oh yeah, okay. It's got a key ring instead of like keys. There we go. And yeah, really, really pleased actually. And it also has feet. I think I already removed the plastic. It was a like packaging nightmare. Like literally every single like nook and cranny, every like metal bit and everything was covered in plastic and bubble wrap and everything. I'm going to be including footage of that because it took me ages to remove everything. What I haven't removed yet is the stuffing on the inside. And I'm going to try to show you. Oh, also came with desiccants, which is always helpful. Oh, geez, like goes on. Where did this come from? And on the other side as well. I think we made it. I think I managed to remove everything. And what I wanted to show you, which hopefully I'm able to because the opening isn't the widest. Like it does have like a pretty standard size opening, and one plus compared to the Speedies, for instance, the zippers go down on the side, which makes the opening way easier and you don't like really risk scratching your hands. May have been a different story with the tinier size, but anyway, so on the inside, if you can see, it's like a raw leather. So it's actually, I think, or is it fabric? It may be fabric or like raw leather. If I can find it out, as I said, like I'll be linking the the Andrea carryall on the Coach outlet website down below. They should display and like disclose the material composition. Maybe it's leather, maybe it's like a fabric. I'm not sure, but it looks and feels very high quality. I mean, is it like deceiving advertising that they say it used to be $550 when apparently, according to Chatty, let me know if you call ChatGPT Chatty as well, or if you have like some other nicknames. Anyway, so according to ChatGPT, this is like an outlet exclusive. Is it like false advertising or deceiving that they display an original retail price if this bag had never even been sold at full retail? I don't know, let me know your thoughts, but here we are. And yeah, I guess let me quickly pan you down. I'm going to show you what fits inside. Mod shots, I realistically should have already included like mod shots from me trying it on in the Coach outlet. But yeah, let me pan you down. I'm going to show you what fits in the Andrea carryall, and then I'm going to catch you afterwards. All right, I always feel a little vulnerable when I pan the camera down like this into my lap essentially, but yeah, I think it's still like the easiest or like the best way to show you what fits inside. So first things first, let's remove the tag because this bad boy, oh, it's actually harder to, there we go. This bad boy is definitely staying in my collection, so, or bad girl, I guess, Andrea. Anyway, so let's see what fits inside again. Opening is fairly generous, I'd say. Shouldn't have any problems. One thing I'm really intrigued to find out is if I can fit an umbrella in here. Granted, this is on the smaller side. I mean, my hands are pretty massive, but I think it's like a smaller-ish umbrella. Let's see. It does. Actually, like a centimeter or so to spare. Better to show you than to try to describe you and failing miserably. So there we go. Then phone, card holder, and my pochette clear with like additional cards. And as you may be able to hear, very rare occasion, I usually don't carry cash, especially not coins, but there's that. Power bank or like battery pack, which is always a must. Let's see, cord for my power bank, and mics to be clipping into my phone in case I don't have my camera on me. AirPods, another phone, work phone, personal phone, like a lip gloss, I guess. Honey infused lip oil. Yeah, lip oil. Pocket bag by Bath & Body Works. So hand sanitizer and still a good amount of room actually. This is like, it doesn't look super big. Like look at this. It's like a tiny little Andrea. But it feels a lot. Also, the fact that the structure really helps. And yeah, pair of sunnies. These should be my Bulgari ones. Yep. My Bulgari sunnies. I love the like arms, like the snake detail. Beautiful. Anyway, so back in the pouch they go. And you're going up top. All the essentials and then some, I'd say. So yeah, honestly, it fits everything that I needed to fit. I'm really surprised by the umbrella situation, but there she is. All right, and that does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on my first ever Coach handbag in my collection. I'm really pleased with it, especially considering the price I pay. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I'm currently working my way to getting to 7,000 subscribers, and obviously I can't do it without you. So if you want to make my day, consider subscribing. I appreciate you sticking around all the way until the end, and I'm going to catch you in one of my next videos. Bye.